All right. I'm gonna start with just chatting.
I'm watching the QuestCraft 3.0 video.
Wild.
Anyways, so
QuestCraft V5. That's what they're saying in the YouTube chat.
press it in the YouTube chat already. Honestly, I am.
Gosh, you need to mute the "We'll be right back" screen.
What do you mean? It's not.
Oh, yeah, it
It's not muted.
Here, I'm bad at this. There. I just straight up deleted it. Is it still on? Where is it on right now? What's the official stream on?
Your mic is not muted on.
Yeah, I know it is. I know it is. I know it is. That was intentional because I thought we were starting already. You know what? Hold on. That's wild. All right.
You're on there. We'll be right back. Sure. Okay, hold on. Judge is figuring out how to use a
stream ending.
Listen, we don't. What do you mean stream ending?
It showed stream ending for like a half a second.
Oh, that was me then. Okay, I fixed it. I fixed it. Oh, that went to my main monitor. All right. So, you're live, CAD, right?
Yeah, I'm live.
All right.
Now, are you properly live now?
I believe so. As far as I can tell.
You'll be right back. You're on the "We'll be right back" screen.
Yeah, I was just checking status and we're good. Why does that keep going to my main monitor? Stop going to my main monitor. All right. So, little introduction real quick. I'm only on the "Be Right Back" screen because yes. But so for the past year or so, a little bit before planning for QuestCraft 5.0, we were discussing the chance of something called CAD. I was expecting you to take it from there.
Welcome to a judge. Basically, right, what we're doing is there's this thing that originally started out as an idea between me and one of the original QuestCraft developers, but kind of transitioned into an idea between me and Judge, where we, as you know, obviously, since you're here, QuestCraft is just a port of Minecraft VR to the headset standalone, Quest, Pico, all that stuff. Basically, we're trying to take that to another height, and that new height would be basically any game you can think of that uses Steam VR. And right now, we're calling it Steam VR Native or SVR Native. And basically, you will be able to take Steam games, any Steam VR game, sideload it to your headset, and then using SVR Native, you can open it up, and as long as things go correct, you should be able to play it as if you're playing it on PC. Now, obviously, probably won't run the best, but at the end of the day, the core idea is that it works and that it's a proof of concept. Kind of how QuestCraft is.
Yeah, and so what started this week, me and Cad kind of got a little bit ahead of ourselves. I say that, but that's the wrong word. But I was browsing GitHub today, and we found a project that was closed source for the longest time, and it was the framework of what we needed. And we were like, we really should focus on QuestCraft, and then we saw this today, and we were like, dang it. Well, now we gotta work on this for a little bit, at least try to get something going. So, but yeah, we're hoping this will be probably larger than QuestCraft. We'll see.
Honestly, yeah. The main goal for this is to prove that we can do more than just just do more than Minecraft. I mean, SVR Native is gonna be our biggest project yet, and alongside that, there'll obviously be a lot more issues and things that kind of have to go into it.
Where is it?
But the main goal, like I said earlier, is just get a proof of concept going. Prove that it can be done. And with these kinds of proof of concept things, really one of the biggest goals is to show other developers that their product can go very many places, and hopefully with something like this, more people will start to see that they should bring their games to headset standalone, because obviously we don't want to be a drop-in replacement. That's not what we're going for. We're here to prove a concept and show people that these headsets are powerful and you can do a lot with them. So with that, I think we should be ready to just start getting into things.
All right.
So right now, there's 2 different streams. There's one on YouTube and there is one on Twitch. I'm streaming the Twitch side and Judge is streaming the YouTube side. And I will be working on the Unity environment and everything, so you can actually start the game, use the UI, stuff like that. And then Judge will be working on the more core components of the project, which will be the actual big brain part of SVR Native. So
you could call it that, yeah.
So choose. You can choose whichever one you wanna watch, or watch both at the same time. Okay? I mean,
I'm watching both.
But I can say this: my side's probably gonna be more interesting. I'm just saying.
So the competition begins, huh? All right. Yeah, if you're more interested in learning like backend and stuff like that, I would watch my stream. But if you're more interested in front end and Unity development, I would suggest going over to Cat Indie's stream over on Twitch. Both of which are on the QuestCraft. Yeah, both of which are on QuestCraft XR, YouTube, and Twitch respectively. All right.
Feel free to just go in there. Here, I'll post
Yeah.
that in here.
All right. I'm not sure how many of these people do you think have actually like watched the VidCon video?
Not too many.
Probably not enough. I mean, all I'm saying is, if you haven't watched it already, go to Ross's channel and give it a watch. I'll post that in the chat right now, actually. But basically, the QuestCraft team, me, Judge, Ross Light, and Henry, or aka Virtual Boy, went to California to go to VidCon, but also just chill out and enjoy ourselves. So, if you guys want to go see that, make sure to go watch that video, show some love to Ross, and yeah. By the way, if you guys are having issues with QuestCraft, obviously, that's kind of not what we're doing right now. There's a Discord. It's at the very top of the description, and that's where you should go if you are having any issues. But if you want to just chill out and see how our things are made and developed, stick around, have a good time.
Yep.
So Judge, you'll be able to change your thing from "We'll be right back" to actual preview.
Yep, I will do that. I just had a quick question before we do that. How is Joe Blue Blur? I think it's fine. Last I checked, I think it's fine though. But how's the volume of everything? Does it need to go up? That's kind of what I'm worried about right now.
How's the volume? Everything good?
Yeah. So someone check Twitch side and someone check
It's perfect.
QuestCraft side. It's perfect. Okay. Well, that works for
actually,
my
Twitch might be a little bit louder. A little louder is better.
Pretty good. A little
on
loud.
Twitch, but
His side sounds a little low. Turn him up.
that,
Yeah, it looks like all the complaints are on your side, Cad.
Let's see.
Alright. But well,
yeah, on the YouTube side, it sounds completely fine.
yeah, as far as my side goes, we're gonna switch to the.
Is it just my mic that needs to be turned up, or?
It sounds like you in particular.
Yeah, you need to turn your mic up.
I'm gonna turn down my mic just slightly.
I got you guys. One
Yep.
moment.
Yeah, it's your mic volume. MC Gaming VR fix for the mod browser. All fixes as far as we can make them that we are aware of right now will probably be in V5.
That should be a little bit better. Here, I'll turn it up just a little bit more. What do you think, Kurt? Is that fine now?
Yeah, is that better on Cat Indie's side?
It's a little better, a little louder though, because the music is basically overtaking your entire voice.
How about that? Is that good enough?
Oh, is that still in there?
Music as well.
Wild.
There you go.
Fix that.
Perfect.
I just made aware, Cad, that we still
Alright.
have the QuestCraft mod spreadsheet in the description, so I'm just gonna remove that.
Guys,
Alright.
do not go to that mod spreadsheet. It is out of date as hell.
Yeah, it really is. Welcome to the Stream Killer. Alright, so I'm gonna move to live view. Why does it keep doing that? Alright, and we're gonna head to in-game. You'll be able to see me, and I'm not sure if Cad's doing his stream with a webcam, but I'm doing mine with a webcam, so
I am
we'll
not,
see.
not at the moment at least.
Alright. Alright, sec. We're switching in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys.
Let's see if that worked properly.
Alright.
Hopefully.
It didn't
So,
work properly.
give it a
No,
second.
it did. Good.
Yeah, there's always a stream delay, Cart.
And it's gone.
Oh, whoops, I forgot I set that up. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. We're just switching. We're just switching like that. We're just switching manually from now on. Screw it.
Alright. So, right now on my
This is
end,
Podwell.
yeah,
Oh,
I might
Podwell.
want to open the right project. But
Yes.
here, I'll explain my side first, mostly because it's simpler. So basically, what's happening is we have the Unity environment, and inside of Unity is where we're going to be,
First
this is
error,
where we're
everyone.
going to be opening the, this is where we're going to be opening the game. Well,
That's-
any game that you put inside of SVR Native. It's also going to be where you select your settings and everything of such. So right now we have a mostly blank environment. A little bit earlier I was getting started on the controller tracking and everything like that, getting that working inside of the environment itself. So now what we're gonna get a little bit of a
Flam, that was you in the chat, right? Respond on Discord. Okay, cool. You're mod now, so. All right.
make a little bit of plane.
Now open
We're
that
gonna
part in the new window.
Go over to yes.
Have you already explained your side?
Yeah.
All right. So my side is building on a project called WinLater. Did the stream just die? No, it didn't. I'm casually paranoid. So, and basically what it does is by default it allows you to run 2D apps from Windows on your PC or on your Android device. ARM64, so any architecture, really any phone. And so the challenge with that is really just performance, but WinLater has got it down to the... Yeah, WinLater's doing good on that front. So we're going to try to make adjustments to it and try to make it so it can actually... Words. So it can actually open XR. So it can actually VR properly. So we're gonna have to add a whole backend for VR, and that's gonna be very, very interesting. We've got the whole app accessible to us here. As soon as I figure out what the heck is going on with Gradle, because Gradle always likes to throw a hissy fit. That's not it. Howdy. Okay.
Oh, forgot to turn
No,
my
that's
phone
not me making fun of you. I just say that all the time. Casually responding to chat.
And I'm just in the back watching.
Where is Gradle? Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste a couple things from Podweb, Gradle stuff, because we need that. I just dragged it over to the side because I need the screen space, man. You must understand. These.
I need more room.
I need more room.
Let's create an empty. Let's call it N.
I need more room.
To the top.
7 should be fine.
Lean in there. Call this lower.
Howdy. All right. Yeah. I wish I had like something that could play the yippee sound right about now. Every time a build actually succeeds, yippee! Oh, that's fun. Nice. I'm not sure if that got picked up on stream, but I'm sure it did. Okay, calm down, override.
Calm down, right.
Cheeseburger.
Cat, I'm DMing you real quick.
Cheeseburger.
Let's see.
Alright. Gotta keep the secrets. Cannot initialize. Man, this is broken.
There's a lot of things broken, but that's hey. That's
hey,
how
you got the easy part. You're in Unity.
Hey,
it does it all
I'm
for
not
you.
saying anything except it's always broken.
We're not playing that, killer. Maybe every time this. God. No. 1 second. It's that. Trying to kill our Gradle. Bruh. That did not work. I failed that completely. There we go. That's what I wanted to see.
There we go.
Yeah, and for anyone wondering what like position judge code's in, it's this. I literally just have my hand on like almost like the thinker. It's kind of funny. What is wrong with? Yeah.
He needs to know the truth.
What do you want from me, man?
Well, that's screen space. So we want this world space. And we want this world space so you can actually see.
Gotta casually nuke my Gradle cache.
Because otherwise, you won't know anything that's happening. That's not a good thing. Change the
Leave them in the dark. Where is Maven these days? Oh, here it is. That's gonna take a minute to delete. Oh god. So you know my Gradle cache is big because it's like 10 gigabytes. That's how many projects I work on.
10 gigs later.
Yeah, exactly. It's literally 12 gigs.
10
Only
gigs
10.
later and a new
Flam, look,
SSD.
I reinstall my Windows a lot, okay? Because it always likes to break.
Flam says world space is for losers. Okay, well, it's either you have nothing to see or you see nothing.
Yeah, indeed.
Alright, so.
This is QuestCraft chat in a nutshell, although usually it gets worse.
Much worse. We won't talk about that. Whoa, that's a little big.
Oh, nice job, Killer.
Just a little big.
Yeah. Killer, just if you have a phone, Killer, I would just suggest just putting the Twitch stream on there, have it muted. Who needs to hear Cat after all?
I mean, you'll hear me anyways.
I mean,
I'll yell at you enough. So let's see.
I just reinstalled GitHub. Nice English there, Flam.
He reinstalled the GitHub.
Cat is a cat. Yeah. And if y'all have like questions, I'm willing to answer them once my Gradle cache gets nuked.
Once things work.
Yeah, that's a good point. Alrighty.
Let's see. Let's how big should we have this? So we gotta come up with a little idea for what we want this UI to look like. But for now,
the concept can begin.
Well, no. We're gonna wait off on that a little bit because what we're gonna do first is figure out
Casually close Android Studio.
other parts, such as go in here, UI. We're gonna figure out the main things first. We gotta get buttons and stuff working.
Samsung Dex. Oh yeah, that thing. I've heard of that.
I haven't seen the Samsung Dex in a long time.
Alright, reopening Android Studio. Hopefully it syncs properly. That's PoJeff.
Wrong project.
Wrong project! Go back! Damn it, I said go back!
Make this UI a little bit more readable. Do that. There we go.
Hopefully that actually builds properly.
Buttons.
That's the other thing I do, like, if I'm get annoyed at a project, I just kind of do this. Or hell, if I get annoyed at Cat Indie over here.
Hey, wait a minute. Don't need to expose that many secrets today.
No. Go back. God damn it, I said go back. You serious? What is wrong with my Gradle?
Oh, Lord, okay. I might need to fix that.
You alright there, bud? That's PoJeff. Podglib. That's the one I want. What am I missing?
Right, first, let's import TMP.
Gradle,
We need
Gradle,
text mesh pro in order to...
Gradle. Maybe I should nuke that version of Gradle. Or could not find. This is so weird.
I wish there was a way to know you're in the good old
You're
days
weird.
before you've
Wish we could done back time. Did I
We're
accidentally? I'm not using Kotlin, so I don't know why it's acting like I am.
That should work. Okay. Let's create a new button. Actually here, let's see. Do I have Figma? I don't have Figma installed. Let's grab Figma because I do have.
Maybe this is the issue.
A little
I did just
concept on
kinda
there
copy
that
that
I
with
was
my
working
thinking.
on. So let's grab Figma real quick.
No, I need that. But that causes issues. Gradle, Android.
There.
The problem is Podglib uses Kotlin Gradle, which makes things a lot. That's crazy fun. But yeah, Podglib uses Kotlin Gradle, and I had to get some stuff from there, and I probably wasn't paying enough attention.
Right.
I don't like this one. Oh, that's why. Okay, well, that would have been nice to know earlier. So there is another plugin I need.
Or the
Apply
barrier.
plugin.
Oh, that is the.
This is when the documentation comes in handy. It is still mad.
So that's a different UI. I have multiple different UIs. All right, scratch the Figma. We're gonna worry about that in a minute. So let's go in here. Let's.
Where's this coming from? Go to apply plugin.
Button. The button's bigger than the thing.
Maybe I don't need
Oh no.
this in particular.
No. That. There we go.
Oh wait, what version of the plugin am I using? It's probably using the latest.
Oh, that's backwards.
Fine. Okay.
Let's rotate this real quick. Rotato.
Sounds about right though for him.
180.
90% Gradle is 90% Kotlin. That's crazy. I did notice as of late, like a lot of SDK stuff for Gradle CAD are starting to like actually drop support for things. Okay, we're getting there. Try again.
Hold as Gradle SDK.
There we go. That's what you like to see when it actually downloads the stuff.
Well, that's
So
the
yeah,
wrong thing.
it was just outdated Gradle. Oh no, never mind. There it is, part 2.
It's back.
It's back. It's back.
How did he find us?
Yeah,
Now it's upside down. That's not what we want.
Can I do?
Oh,
Can I do version here? No. Okay, but you know what? We're doing it like this. We're doing it the old-fashioned way.
okay. Flip that around. This. Just make it small. Oh. That's not. There we go. So now we have a button. We're gonna rename this to.
I could probably just remove that. Error
What should we
resolving.
name this? No, not testing. So you gotta think about how it's gonna load. It's like, well, if we have the same API. Let's do this.
There we go. That should help.
Let's just do a JNI test button just to see if it works how we need it to. Not gin test, JNI.
Okay, so
There we go.
now we're gonna go back to the previous thing.
That is one
There we go.
hell of a font.
That's usually how I operate. If one thing doesn't work going forward, it might not work going backwards sometimes. There we go. We're getting places.
One
We're
of
getting
the
places
places
now.
covered.
Yeah, one of the places. We're nowhere near done. That's gonna take a minute.
Replace with input system module. Yep, that's what we want. And then we're going to add a new XR UI input module.
It's gonna go right here.
XR default.
Never mind.
Yep.
Namespace
drag
not
our-
specified. If you specified,
Here. There we go. Go on.
oh, that's odd. Never seen that before. Even that. This tells me we have to update our PodWeb Android stuff. So this is
Just a teeny tiny bit out of
common
date.
later.
Multitask 100. Doing 8 billion things at once. Just the way we like it.
Yep. Yeah, it's fine. I don't mind it using that NDK. Okay, we can close
We
that.
have an event system.
Multitask 100.
And in this event system is where we're gonna. Ooh, actually.
Have the stream open, the Twitch one, and Discord up. That's wild. That's dedication at its finest.
Let's see. JNI test, yep. Now we're gonna make a simple JNI handler.
I don't know why it went to an alpha version.
Brochure with Gradle.
No, Gradle doesn't like me.
Gradle struggling with you.
Huh? Say again?
I said you're struggling. I said bro struggling with Gradle.
Correct. These feel wrong. Go back here. Casually searching through the... Seriously, Google. Maven, Gradle, Android, Gradle. Here it is. So that is a thing.
Imagine I just
You
pinged
lied to
everyone.
me. Wait, what did you do? What you do?
So what I said, imagine if I just pinged everyone, told them to get in the stream.
Did you?
No,
Good.
not yet.
Real. It would be funny. Or maybe an at here would be fine. CMake warning. There we go. We're getting places, but I don't like those. Add Google Maven repository. It's already in there.
What? Writer.
It is just missing 90% of the stuff I want. Get over
I
here.
need to open writer. There we go.
There we go.
Oh, what's
All right,
disconnected?
now I should have an operating, an operating setup here. Yeah, it's all red right now because this is still going, so don't worry. Do not panic. I keep turning to the monitor on my right, even though the camera's on my left. It's funny how that works. There we go.
Now we're getting places.
Okay. Box 8664, you'll love to see it.
Alright, so since this is gonna be an AAR, let's see. Let's go grab.
Okay, now you can play bonk sounds if I fail. I didn't fail yet. It actually looks like a fair amount of the stuff I might need is already here. Really, the biggest challenge is rendering and getting the image from the game to, you know.
Something
You know where
else.
I'm going with that.
What is
Yeah.
Manulator used? Does it? What's its main
Hmm?
renderer?
Bruh.
They use
What's its-
DXVK, obviously.
Yes. Gotta figure out. So we're gonna do. I'm so bad with CMake. Gotta go to old. I gotta go all the way to QuestCraft GitHub, like the old QuestCraft GitHub.
Oh lord, they're pulling a Pojeff. They gotta. Well, no,
What's
they're
up?
better than that. No, it's just looking at the thing and how they handle their main activity.
That's what most people say, Nathan. Oh man.
Yeah, that's usually how it goes. Look, hey, if it makes it feel any better, neither do we. We just kind of roll with it until something happens.
Technically, Sonski, QuestCraft is modded regardless.
Let's see
Gotta
what
go
we're gonna
all
do.
the way to Old Pojav from the QuestCraft launcher. Oh word.
Oh boy, you're going way
Yeah, I'm going far. To find something.
Well, a good majority of this we can strip out.
Well,
let's
yes,
see.
but
Let's
actually, no.
grab. Let's open Android Studio. Let's see.
Right, and he does that.
I'm gonna have to install an Android emulator.
So we're gonna make a new thing. How do you define? How do you add a submodule? Like that.
Andrew.
Andrew.
Andrew Yamamoto.
Actually, I would have to because it's a. Yeah.
Actually, I have a phone. I have a phone. All right, let's connect.
Now we're gonna go grab the Oculus OpenXR SDK. Might be getting a little ahead of myself, but it's helpful to know what I'm working with. Oh Jesus, we need to update OpenXR on QuestCraft because we haven't done that in a minute.
We need to update what? What
One
needs an
second.
update?
Reading something.
Right.
Interesting. Huh.
Yes, I use SideQuest to sideload stuff onto my normal Android devices. Don't bully me.
Yeah, I know Oculus specific libraries are so cringe. I don't like it. But don't sue us, Oculus. Just have like a repo that you can get.
Holy hell.
That's
Okay,
all
I
I
just
asked.
opened the app. The UI is so
Yeah, it's questionable.
so it's take me back to 2015. Holy. Look at the spinning oh my god.
Do they use Zinc? I forget if they use Zinc. Okay, they have several. They have Virtual, Zinc, LLVM pipe. They've got several versions of Turnip, which means they won't have the support for 740. They have 7XX, but not 740. So I gotta add the chip ID and probably inject our own. Not the worst. I should open a PR for Mesa just to add that chip ID.
Yeah, we first gotta see though why it's
Bugging it to high health.
We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah,
what
speaking
happens.
of, I'm gonna check on that issue.
We're not limited to Minecraft though. That gives us a little bit more freedom.
Yeah, and it only happens on some things. Like that's the other thing.
Right. All right. So basically, this is all containerized.
Like whenever the Guardian comes out.
So let me go through this and see how they do these containers.
Alright, so we're gonna add core. No, it's not gonna go in core. We're gonna make a new folder as called OpenXR. And then we're gonna Java class OpenXR. No. We'll just call it that for now, and I'll figure out formatting later. And then it's gonna be. Does this command X environment? How does he handle? I don't know why it dips so far to the left there. Oh, it's because my microphone's in the way.
Ew, fragments. Nasty. Container detail fragment. Container fragment.
Kind of sounds like a skill issue, kid.
Your skill issue.
Why is there an error in here?
Default DLL overrides.
Wait, why can't they use switch? Will that actually? Yeah, it'll probably will. Casually having to change stuff. I really hate this, but whatever. Them's the rules. I should be able to build this as is. Never mind. Serious one, you.
Find view by a holy hell.
Good. Nope, not good. Not good. Alright, Pete. This is not good.
This got some parameters.
Parameters. The rest of those look good. Those should be all the fragments.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now to see what variables.
You ready to read the OpenXR documentation for the first time in a hot minute?
Oh god. I'm at 2 gigs per second.
Real. Source. I'm gonna go in here because I think this has a CMake, right? I'm gonna get.
So the name, screen size, environment variable, CPU list, graphics driver, the DirectX wrapper, audio driver, components, drives,
include directories, and it's gonna be
data, presets. That's all the stuff that's gonna get. What is container?
Because it goes TPP to main to source to libs. So one more, and then Oculus open frack. Friggity frack.
Gets demonetized.
Why am I not? Why is it using an old version of CMake? Let's fix that.
Let's give her a bit of a nudge.
20. What's the latest CMake version? I just want to update everything.
container.java. Let's see. Okay. Sync descriptors. Okay, holy hell.
It did not like that I did that. 28.1. If I could actually type.
Okay, so I see. So he makes a JSON file.
Then download it.
He makes a JSON config with the So he makes a JSON file with the config for the container, which is what we use at the parameter. So,
Gotcha.
I'm gonna
Gotta set up CMake real quick. The newest one, at least. Computing space requirements. That should not take long. I have an NVMe. Yeah. Keep those hearts going. Alright. That's not a heart.
save data. Okay, so yeah, they just make a JSON file. So,
How did that look on the stream? I'm kind of curious.
CMake. It makes it go black for administrator.
That's wild. It makes sense, but that's wild. Oh, there we go.
So the container system that he has are actually.
Tell me when V5 comes out. That's wild. But understandable.
I could do this.
Oh, come out when we do everyone ping saying V5 is out.
That's crazy. At here ping WinCat.
Real.
Out of water. I'm gonna have to get that in a sec. What are we developing? So this is called SVR Native. It's gonna be a fork of WinLater. I just called it WinLater XR for now because I'm too lazy to change the name. But what
Nothing going.
But what it will basically do is be able to run Windows VR games directly on your Quest. Probably not at the best performance, but it'll still be good. Hopefully.
VR.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so casually getting distracted by my tight neck. Alright.
Click Android Java object.
So the trick. Did I get that going? Is that going? Oh, actually, it's not because CMake was still installing. Let's fix that.
Android Java.
And this needs to be fucking 28.1. Not even gonna bother.
Wait, how does this want this?
Entertaining it.
This creates a new JSON object. So what does it get past? JSON object.
Yeah, whatever.
You put ID.
Alright, so if I'm
Make this.
gonna do a test build real quick, just see what it does.
You can do a slight change with this container. Or no, we can make
I can't tell if someone's
it.
knocking on my door or is just bumping into it.
Huh?
War? For real, killer. That's one of the things I want to test. But the first test is going to be Beat Saber. Because yes.
Gosh,
Actually,
unmute
almost broke my wrist there.
soundboard.
That was one of the biggest things that got me and Judge excited for this is the thought of Half-Life Alyx.
Yes.
That is gonna be a really big compat thing that we're gonna look into.
Oh yeah, you bet your sweet Bipsy. You bet your sweet Bipsy it will.
Life Alex is like gigs. It's gonna fill up your entire quest storage.
I
So
will
the
be
way
right.
I'm looking at this, there's a few changes we're gonna have to make. So the way that he makes a container is really just a JSON file that gets parsed later, and then parameters get sent to the thing, kind of like how we start Minecraft and Python.
Yeah.
He just has a container class, and then he has all the variables that gets.
Oh, this failed.
Wait. I think. So if I look at this again, give me a moment. I think he does container.set. Was it the fragment? Let me try to find it again.
There, that should do it.
Container detail.
That's why we test these
Where is he?
things, so we don't
Get
run
it
into that
at?
later.
Get
Yeah, no guarantee it would run well killer, but, you know.
Container.set drives.
But it does run really well for such a good game.
Right?
Like, there's this one clip from a YouTuber that's like Minecraft VR versus Half-Life Alex. And it's like, it's showing the performance graph from Steam VR, kind of like, here's the performance graph while a train is crashing into the side of the earth, like the world is coming to an end. And here's Minecraft while walking through a blank field, and it's like, it's like so up there and all red. And then he proceeds to say something about Chernobyl, so.
Okay, so the way that this works, that's not what I wanted. The way this works, it makes the JSON file, and then just like how we in PodgeLib load our instances, it just loads all the containers from the JSON file, makes new container object. You set the container object, and you get the fields from it, like that.
Okay.
So a good amount of this should be copy and paste from QuestCraft's JNI stuff.
Maybe.
Obviously, there'll be a lot of changes, mostly with naming conventions and stuff, but it's very similar to our instance management, which is actually
Would it be
Steam VR
It's
overhead
literally
is
just gonna be
gonna
empty.
really bad.
Let me skip that for now.
The Steam VR overhead is gonna be really bad.
Open
Well, it's
composite.
not. It won't work like that. It'll have open composite built into it.
Okay, good.
We are not.
We are not running Steam VR like that. Ooh.
No.
Yeah.
No. No. No.
If you want to request
Ain't nobody
explode
has
on your
time for
face,
that.
that's fine.
I don't care about that.
Nobody has time for that, dude.
Okay, whatever. It's fine.
Yeah.
Min
Which
SDK just
still-
needs to be 32. That's all I care about.
Now I test. And I'm gonna create a new
It's not enough.
button that's not huge.
Yeah,
Button.
shush.
Shush.
Can you add shaders to QuestCraft? You don't want to, but you can.
Please let it go. It will never happen.
I mean,
The
it
quest
works,
is not. It
kind
does.
of.
It does, but it runs so bad. And it takes 15 years because I still haven't implemented Zinc shader caching.
Just because you can doesn't mean you should.
Correct.
Yes, please do not
Do you
complain.
wish, as Killer says, do you wish to melt your quest? Hey, look at that, guys.
We are not responsible for any damage that you do to your own quest using
that's the wrong-
QuestCraft.
I'm on the wrong project.
Yep, you are.
Wait, am I?
Yes, you're in PodgeLib.
Nope, no, I'm not. What happened here?
Why is this? Wait. Did IntelliJ have a moment again?
Yeah, I think it did.
Why is it
Pod-
saying
yeah,
content?
Podchlin's over here. Android skill issue.
Podglib debug AAR.
Oh, that's why. Never mind. It's a me skill issue.
You're just a skill issue.
There,
We
I fixed
are,
it.
okay. It fixed it.
Yeah, that'll get better on the newer versions, Scarf. 50% on a server at least has done 50? 60? Occasionally?
I've been able to get it to go up to 65 before.
Yeah,
Pushing them on
but if you're running at
plus
50% render res, you should be good to go. Well, on the 5. That's what a whale says, killer. Or when a whale can't find food, I mean.
What?
Krill
Killer said
issue.
krill. Yeah, krill issue.
Dolphin.
Alright, now what I
That's the
do
first
want
thing
to
that came to mind was Dolphin.
Dolphin.
RIP Dolphin on Steam. That entire situation was not good.
Salute the man. Salute the fallen. What's your favorite QuestCraft mods? Oh, word. Believe it or not, we don't play QuestCraft that much.
Okay,
We-
We're too busy developing it, and by the time we're done developing for the day, we're too tired to care anymore.
Yeah,
From
exactly.
my
We don't.
experience-
We're stuck developing it 90% of the time. It's so bad. Oh my god.
From my experience, I would say it's Create. Create's pretty fun, and just
That
in
is
VR.
true. The few times I've played QuestCraft, it's been with Create, and it is fun. Now, here's what I want to check. That is a big boy.
That's Junger.
This.
Among Us.
Make
Among Us,
changes.
Among Us, Among Us, Among Us.
So this is have a can't. Can I make
I
a
have the
canvas
ABI
for
filter in there. Oh, I don't have a release.
I
Go back.
yeah. Wait, I want to need to make a canvas. I don't need to make a sub canvas.
There, I should fix that. But the OpenXR loader did not go in. That's a problem. Let's figure out why.
Yeah, I don't need to make a sub canvas. I can
Mine
do,
is a mod that adds nebulas in the night skies and sound physics. Sound physics remastered? Or is it one mod?
I think he means 2 mods.
Wow, I don't know. There are
Or
a lot of
the-
mods out there.
It's a wonderful mod.
It's the most wonderful mod.
We just lost all of our subscribers. Good job.
Good.
Now it's just time to start saying some copyrighted stuff. So we can
Yeah.
get our account banned.
Let's get it. That's not right. Sound physics remastered? I thought it worked.
Yeah, Sound Physics Remastered does work.
There you go. That's Mr. Mod Expert that you're hearing. Cart Trigger.
I can't remember if physics mods work. I like the normal physics mod.
Hopefully.
Why isn't it
No,
included?
wait, no, it doesn't. We have to change something which we haven't yet. We also need to include the binary for physics arm.
Oh,
which we
true.
haven't yet either.
Ooh.
Could be done.
It's theoretically possible.
Am
It just
I
doesn't
started?
work right
Or
now.
am I done?
We don't like theories though.
Huh. There's always a bigger fish.
Fish has
In
been
theory,
caught.
the Quest one can run QuestCraft.
I thought. Did they not run CMake? Am I stupid? What am I thinking about? Oh, I thought they ran CMake. Oh, am I
You
going
just
crazy?
don't enable the snow.
I must be going crazy then. That's whack. Okay. Could have sworn they did.
It should have worked out like this. It should have been me.
I was wrong. I was wrong. That's fun. Okay. I think the snow would crash on crash it on Quest 2. Snow. Oh god.
Yeah, the physics snow is stupid.
I wouldn't know. I've never played it.
Six Snow?
Snowboy.
It's really weird. I might boot up the mod and show.
Physics Snow? Wait, I thought they added physics to Snow in Minecraft already.
Just wish you knew.
No, like, when you walk in snow, it like, makes a path and stuff.
How do I do this? So it's gonna be... I did this recently. What, though? What did I do this on?
Good job, dude.
Can't remember. That's gonna be an issue.
He doesn't remember what the
Oh, it's GFX Reconstruct. That's what it was. Smart.
Oh,
Every now and then I forget where I do certain things that took me ages to do, and then I remember, oh, that's where it was, and so I go there for reference, because why reinvent the wheel? Because
the wheel's already broken.
Because it was fun.
Carter, you should come back to California so I can hit you in the face.
Okay. Look, Nano can do that. I might be going to Texas.
Okay,
who knows?
I'll pay Nana to do that.
Okay.
Wait, when are you going to Texas?
Who knows? We're thinking of in March.
Who knows? A point in time, maybe.
I was under framework. Right here.
I don't think I should do this because I'm sure it's too long. Oh, whoa.
Here we
Oh.
go.
No. See, I remember how Unity works. I've totally been.
SVR, to be honest, the
And then
points is the points is great and everything in 3D Mark, but in VR you're rendering it twice. Half whatever
Instead,
score
this
you
is
got,
gonna
you
be,
got new score.
Pain and suffering, just how I like it.
Pain and
Going
suffering.
all the way
My
to stratosphere.
favorite.
Here's what I'm trying to think though. Unless you have like a 512 gig Quest 3, this is not gonna go well for you.
What do you mean?
You're gonna fill up storage in like a half
Oh,
a second.
oh, yeah. This is gonna be especially rough for me. I already have Beat Saber on there though, so.
Half-Life
I mean,
Alex.
how big is
the entire thing?
How big is fucking Half-Life Alex?
57 gigs.
Okay. I think Cad's dreams just shattered. I think Cad's dreams
it's
just
70
shattered.
gigs. It's 70.
Oh no.
It's 67.8, but after it installs all the assets, like all the other stuff,
Yeah,
it's 80. I mean 70.
But so what do you mean the stream shattered?
No, and that I think I meant to say dreams.
Oh.
So if anyone would like to try Half-Life Alex, they're gonna need a 512 or 256.
Everyone ditched Cad's chat. Yeah. So sad. Judge is the one doing the actual cool stuff anyway.
Wait, is everyone in your chat?
Everyone no.
Everyone's in your
opposite.
chat, Judge.
Quite the
Quite
opposite.
the
That's crazy.
opposite, actually.
That's wild.
Yeah, no one
That's
likes signing up for
actually
Twitch,
crazy.
but everyone's got a YouTube account.
Ah, here it is. That's the one I want. And then it's gonna be, instead of that, it's gonna be however I reference that.
Descriptive. It's gonna be however I reference it.
You just need to do something today. I'm trying to figure out how to reference it in here. Indeed.
What all do I need? I kind of forgot. I was looking at it. I need the name. We'll pass in our own screen size. Environment variable, CPU list, graphics driver, audio driver, data driver,
It's
PS.
gonna be.
I don't think we need literally anything except
How do I?
the name.
Oh, like this.
Everything else is gonna be a toggle.
Perfect. Let's see what that does.
Trying to think what environment variables you would need to. I mean, we can give them the option, but
What's your question?
no, I was just thinking which of these I should actually put
Plus
into
2
the
equals
thing.
100. Jeez, that's quite a leap. Yeah, wildlife benchmark on the Quest 2 got 2,100 and then the Quest 3 got 5,700. That's a jump.
It'd be nice if we could actually utilize that performance improvement.
True.
Yeah, and then you have to half that again because that would be running in a 2D app.
Yeah, probably. Actually, it's probably more than that now I think about it. Yes! Alright. Perfect. OpenXR letter is now in the app. Let's get it.
Now, time to make it actually.
Let's do it.
Yeah, time to make it do stuff. Oh, I need to open composite still.
I need a
Well,
fourth
not-
screen.
Well, I'm not passing in screen size. I'm not.
I'm gonna have to, like... Do we still have our open composite somewhere?
Yes.
Or do I need to publish it still?
Yes and no. Oh,
That's what I need to remake it.
I archived it.
Huh?
I archived it. No, I didn't
think-
archive it. It's gone.
No, I need a new one. I'm at the new one. So,
Goes to the old repo, the very first one, and grabs that one.
get
QuestCraft community.
add.
Open composite.
You know, my favorite, forget GitHub Desktop as like your Git manager. Let's talk about Android Studio or IntelliJ as your Git manager.
Hey, you leave me out of this. I want my Git cracking.
Oh,
Why is there
stop
two?
doing
Oh,
that.
did it?
I casually have all the Android Studio things open. I should really close them.
I have Judge's stream on my rightmost monitor. I have CAD stream on my middle monitor, and I have a game on my left monitor. I need a third monitor.
What the hell does that?
Should be.
Where does it?
Wait a second. Yeah, no.
I should
it
probably
has a Git
pull
repo.
this so I can test.
It has a Git repo. Oh, it's
So
not-
I'll
it's not
give
trusted.
them preset box 86 and 64 preset. Let me check on my phone what the presets.
Actually,
are.
what's changed? Literally everything. Got it. Okay. So we're gonna commit. Not
Commit.
that. Commit. Not that either. Actually, yes, that. Never mind. I lied.
The default GPU it tries to provide is a 9800 GT.
How bad is that? I don't keep track of that.
GT cards were discontinued in like sub 2010.
Oh my god. That's horrid.
Well, probably more like 2012.
Commit. I don't care that I don't care that it's detached. Get
Not GT.
some
GT.
open composite.
It was
Make it private for now, just so I can
released. Yeah, it has 512 megabytes of RAM. It runs on GDDR3,
Bro.
and its max supported resolution is 1080p. It released for $160 all the way in 2008,
Oh my god.
It's comparable to the GT 420.
and it only has PCIe 2. It's by 16.
Wait, why did it?
But,
Oh, stop. Abandon ship. Cancel.
It's comparable to the GT 420.
I did not mean to push that. I meant to push the QC.
I can make a list of the graphics.
That's
Actually,
fine.
I
I
will
can
not
handle
do that.
that.
I'm not gonna do that. DX wrapper, DXBK, 1D.
Do you have a GT 620? Oh, word.
Ugh. Wow.
You don't, Olive. You're not really supposed to turn that option on.
Yeah, you don't select anything in sitting mode. You reinstall the game.
Yeah.
Or you use the fix in
Never touch
frequently
CD
asked
mode.
questions.
Ever. It disables input, and you're completely done.
I thought we removed it, but I guess.
We did.
Go into
but-
FAQ. On
Yeah,
FAQ, there's a fix for it that you don't need to reinstall, but reinstalling is faster.
Yeah, if you have important worlds or anything, I wouldn't. But I know
Yeah.
you do.
If you have any worlds.
Nobody does.
Yeah, I was gonna
People
say.
do.
I don't think anyone did. What? What?
Yeah, some people start full-on hardcore worlds in QuestCraft.
Ain't no
Oh,
way.
I couldn't. I could not.
Dies. Or. Okay, and then we're gonna make this
So-
work.
The parameters that I'm gonna give is the container, the process affinity, and that's probably it. Oh,
Okay.
well, no, I'll give them the ability. Oh, never mind. I will not give them environment variables. Oh, by the way, their version of Zinc has shader cache.
Oh. Oh, well, yeah. Honestly, mine could have worked if I was smart. I
If
forgot.
you were smart.
No pointer exceptions in Java is one thing, and then I get them in C and forget that I can just literally put a null check.
Okay, so I see how I'm gonna do this. Also, we need to figure out if we're gonna be running or actually, this doesn't stack wine in box 86, does it?
Couldn't tell
It's
you.
just
Oh, probably. I would assume so. I don't
if
know,
it
though.
does, then we need to, because there's presets. I do survival in QuestCraft. What else am I supposed to do? Creative gets boring after what? Honestly, I fucking applaud that. I wouldn't have the brain cells to play long enough. Like, I simply wouldn't.
Did you see the other the other message?
If you ever get bored, just install some mods.
Did you get it?
You should see it on your end now.
Did you delete it, or was that override?
That was me.
It's wild. Is override even still in here, or did he dip?
He's still
He's
here.
in here.
It's hard to
Okay,
hear.
okay, override. Jesus. Oh God.
That answers the question, I guess.
I mean,
That's one way to say yes. 1,096 commits. Damn, George going hard in one commit.
Oh my god, so many commits. Nice job, Judge.
trying to figure out what
Is that? Oh wait, no, you have to do it like that. Yeah, because Xenix
We zoom.
doesn't have. Why I don't get why more people don't just mirror repos.
Yeah.
Because mirroring is stinky.
It's really
fair. I don't know how to do it either, but like,
it's
figure
really
it out.
the smallest. It's small. It's a small commit. In fact, I'm not sure half of this is right.
That ensures confidence.
Oh no, this is how I. I can't tell if that's. Did I actually ever apply that?
So I'm gonna see if. So I'm gonna
This might
boot.
be. This might be wrong.
I'm gonna boot this up with Zinc.
Right.
And we're gonna see.
Is that actually in the repo? I should probably delete that.
Do screen copy.
What does what's it called? What does
Let's see.
can't remember. Does anyone remember what renderer Beat Saber uses?
DirectX, I think.
I have a feeling it's OpenGL.
I would think it'd be DirectX on PC and Vulkan on Quest.
It might just be Vulkan in general.
Is there random fixes? Yeah, I think that's everything.
Like, what renders do you have to pick on Quest? Like Vulkan
Random
and
fixes.
Well,
Vulkan.
the direct wrapper that I'm just gonna do DirectX or
I'm not
DXVK
sure
2.
these are right though.
And we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna use.
I'll Google
FB.
it real quick.
Should I use FBOs or back buffers?
I'll worry about it later. Whoops.
GTX 1070. That's what I have. Yes.
Not so secret anymore. Oh yeah, we should probably change our
Well, no. Just keep it like that. You know.
just keep it like that. Ow.
Gets the people going. How much performance increase does Quest 3 get from Quest 2? Probably an honest 10 to 15 FPS, honestly.
On QuestCraft, a little bit more than that.
I just felt like a snap in my wrist. Feels good though.
Yeah, it's a little bit more than that on QuestCraft.
Whack.
We have the
Whack
metrics.
a
for it.
noodle. Get submodule. Add.
I'm gonna have to put Beat Saber on my phone. I don't even know how to have the damn storage for that. I think the 6A is 128 gigs.
Perfect. You'll love to see it.
Do I really?
Yes, you do.
This is what I have to deal with all the time, by the way. Hope you all know that.
And we have to deal with you, who doesn't listen at all.
Okay, I do listen. That's not very nice. Phone saver? What do you mean by that?
Say this. He might not have the greatest attention span, but most of the time it's for a reason.
Damn.
We say he's got a attention span of a TikTok child.
You know what's funny about that? Cortex is the one that came up with that, I'm pretty sure.
Are you kidding?
I'm not even joking. I'm pretty sure Cortex is the one that came up with that.
You're getting roasted by Cortex. How do you feel?
Sad. I'm sad. I'm all sorts of sad.
Nerd.
Start this container. Oh, the big ass run button on the side.
Run.
Phone saver. Pug.
Run. You said
You should
would
use
have
screen
the
copy
Beat
for the
Saber
stream.
on your phone. So phone saver. That's fair enough. Holy shit, that is unreadable. Okay.
We don't know what you're seeing. You don't have screen copy, sir.
I don't know what I'm seeing either.
Oh, I don't
Maybe
understand.
we can help you.
I hope you know that.
I'm
hurt
so
my
confused who made this. Like, there's some things are missing. What wrong with it? What wrong with it?
Do I not have screen? I swear I put screen copy in my path.
Error when building
What?
C compiler.
Oh,
That's fine. Oh, cannot find. That's fun. Oh, it's CMake lists. CMake lists.
CMake Lisp. What the hell?
That's normal.
That's weird.
It is weird. Just like you.
Toxic. Don't be toxic.
It was funny though.
No, it wasn't. You're mean.
Where is the on-screen keyboard?
Go to. Don't you like this long setup? This is taking forever. Oh, I didn't record.
We're making it through the day. Barely. We're
Let's
making
fix that.
What is a window kit? App cert kit.
Crap.
Oh, application certificate.
Please. Dang it.
Ooh, that's bright.
How do
That's
I like
good.
tell it?
I wonder if they still have the original on-screen keyboard.
Oh, I need to add and then sync with the recursive.
If you can't find any on-screen keyboard, I'm also dyslexic as hell, so.
Nuke.
No, I don't think it's in here. Alright, we're just gonna...
I love making mistakes.
Hey, just like his
Nope.
I'm glad no one heard that.
I did not know.
I said, you said you love making mistakes, and yeah, just like your parents.
That is not nice. That's just mean. You are mean, sir.
Why did it fail? Why is it failing?
Cry.
I
Cry,
talked too
little
much
boy.
crap and I talked
Good.
too much crap and you just cursed my site.
Yeah, I did. Fear me.
Time to go download SideQuest for the 8 billionth time. Not SideQuest, screen copy.
Dis add. Make sure that the git. I think I broke everything.
Think or you know? What do you know? Not much, apparently.
How about you shush?
What do you mean? I hope
Is it back?
you know my
Did I save it?
Wait.
Nope. It's still dead.
Run anyways. Why are you upset at me? Why is it out of where? Oh, because there's no phone connected.
That's kind of important.
Oh, you think? There we go. Okay, I can kind of read this now. So,
No, it doesn't. You're a liar. You are quite literally a liar. Fricky, frackety.
Wine mine.
Oh,
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna close
not open
this.
that.
We're gonna close that. And we're going to slide Beat Saber into my phone's DMs.
Alright, there, Cad. It
Don't
doesn't.
question. Don't question.
You're a liar.
How big is my Beat Saber folder though? Do I have storage for this? Oh, it's only 5 gigs. It's less than 5 gigs. We got this. What? Android
Why?
Studio is gone.
It pieced out.
Can I use Rider to slide it in? No, I cannot. Logcat exists though.
Haha.
Doesn't do
Funny guy.
much good, but it exists. Oh, you're a funny guy. You're a goober.
I'm gonna go cry now. Ah, my eyes!
Let's see.
Do I nuke? Fuck it. I'm nuking the index file. You cannot stop me!
Delete this PC.
yeah.
Now
effectively.
that would be bad.
Casual nuke. Oh! Whoops! I broke
Why is it-
everything!
I can see.
I should not have deleted that file. That was a mistake.
Why is Android Studio?
Mistakes have been made. CD.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, good. It went through. Good stuff. Now we build. And hopefully it does not break this time.
Your hopes, your dreams, your desires are nothing. Good talk. Unlock KVM Magisk. Oh, I still have my Magisk module on here, Kurt.
Word.
I don't think ADB. What? Oh, it's my phone. I'm like, when the hell is that random black bar? I'm just gonna drag the raw file here and see if this moves in a decent amount of time.
You know what I love?
Not a lot.
Correct. I absolutely love when fucking what's his name? What's his name? Xenix? Yeah, there we go. When Xenix doesn't do things properly. That or I am just skill issuing beyond skill issuing.
I think your skill is showing.
I actually
mix
do
of
not
both.
think I am.
Though Xenix is chill, so we like Xenix. No shade to Xenix. For now.
For now. There's gotta mute the stream too.
Moves at 2 million years per mile. Need that to be the other way around, though. Go quicker! should I move Half-Life Alex over? This will be transferred in a amount of time. it's almost done. That moved honestly quicker than I thought it would. So let's see. Presses the wrong button 3 times.
Nice. Your stream is showing. Be right back.
I know. So the wine link here should be there now. Oh. Oh, holy hell, it actually is. Beat Saber immediately crashed.
I wonder why.
Look at it. It didn't even try.
They probably couldn't find Steam VR.
That shouldn't make it crash though. It should just. It usually should say it.
I mean, we don't know.
Way to find out. Oh, it's a file. Oh. That's not what I thought it was. I thought it was like sysinfo.
The line file explorer is amazing.
And slow. Literally won't close. I broke it. Oh.